Hi fellow eBayers, fellow subscribers and fellow watchers, fans of the channel. Today we're just going to do a wee walkabout today on my channel in regards to eBay and Amazon. Where at the minute, the boys are working very hard to pack today's sales. Today is it a Wednesday? Yes, it's a Wednesday. Can't know the days. I'm only back off my sickness, so I still can't remember the days. So it's a Wednesday morning. Let's go and see what they're packing. Let's see how they're getting on. Well guys, what's this? Do you know what the problem is going to be? That? Do you know what I can see is going to happen with that? It's going to get crushed, it's going to get broken in. Would you not, was that big box not too big? I have a funny feeling I can make this easy for you, kid.
No, work away.
Oh, la la la. If it comes back broke, it's my fault, right? A bit of cardboard, got any external cardboard sheets? I got bring some down from Newry. What?
eBay ones?
No, just cardboard sheets. Just give it.
Green sales shelf in Newry, yeah?
Yep.
I have a Paxton proximity reader here, quite pricey. Definitely not in D3, not in any of F boxes. So will it possibly be in Newry? Do you think that one? It's quite pricey, like, so we'll cancel that there.
Most of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, so please like, subscribe, and please click on the alert button. Thanks for watching.
I've looked far and wide here. I know what it looks like too, big black Paxton thing with a data cable on the end of it.
That doesn't necessarily mean it's not in them boxes.
D3, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but it could have been dropped, and
Do you suggest I hope through these boxes further and try to find it,
you have to establish what it is first, or what it looks like.
Yeah, I know it is. Paxton card reader, data cable, long black cable.
What does it come in?
Doesn't say. And the picture's just off the roof, so I'm guessing it's just going to be a big black. I know what it looks like, the image, like.
It wouldn't be in a white bag, would it?
Not judging by the pictures or by the SKU, but you never know, like.
Because I think I seen a cable in a white bag in one of the F boxes. It's you say card reader. Is it a cable with an actual card reader?
Yeah, it's like a wee black
Long cable.
Data cable coming out of it. Yeah.
Yep. There was one in a white bag, a white clear bag, half clear, half white. It's not like I'm not telling you how to pack, like.
Bruh.
But I'm doing this for a reason. You know what I'm doing it for, don't you? I can't be seen not to know what I'm talking about. By the way, guys, listen. We got so many people sick, and we got a disease going around the business, and I think there's another one coming in now. He's not well and he's in. That's dedication for you. Whereas people like you.
Huh?
And you, and Joel, you know what I mean? Am I slabbering? I am. I'm talking about how wussy you lot are. Oh, I'm not well. But yet, Drew, you're a friggin' superhero. Got the wee rappy thing. Where's our rapper? That's a rapper. Oh, shut up. There's some rapper. What are we going to call him? We should call him MCs. Is an MC a rapper? Can we call him, well, what can we call this? We're going to have to nickname it because it's a rapper. Can we call him 50 cents? Because he's not 50 cents. He costs a lot of money. How much does that cost for a roll? Should we call him 100 cents? The rapper. I like that. Is that better? Do you think that'll probably took a lot longer than it had to? I'm getting slagged off here. Hi. Oh, it needs a bit more.
Yeah.
I missed a bit.
I think my way would be quicker.
Shut up. Oh, open your eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes. Open your eyes, open your eyes. God, open your eyes. Took him, how long did it take you to look for that, Drew? Or G. Dean? How long did it take you to look for that?
Looking for about 10 minutes.
Right. Could have just asked what Big Al.
Thought Big Al was busy filming content.
Doesn't matter. Big Al will look for it. It's a part of the content, isn't it?
No, I suppose. Big Al, this proximity reader is not showing up. I'll see it.
I saw it here. See, these boxes are they not also? No, but they're F boxes. They're bugger boxes.
D boxes?
They're F boxes. They're ones that have been dropped out and we don't know what's in them. It's up there. They're in one of them boxes, kid. And I saw white plastic saw it the other day. I did see a white clear bag. I remember seeing it. We may have to do it afterwards. Let's dump it and move on. We'll look afterwards because too much time being spent. There's a lot of that stuff needs sorted. So the transition from one depot to the other is harder than you think, and that's caused by a member of staff. When they were doing the transition, they didn't strap in all the boxes and they interfelled in and all the screws got mixed up. It's cost us a lot of time. It's going to cost us a lot of money, and there's a lot of headaches with it. So we're trying to get through it. On that note, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and click the alert button. Good talking to you today. We'll have more videos by the end of the week. Thanks for watching.